Finley Engineering Group is a specialty engineering firm recognized internationally for its expertise in complex bridge projects of all kinds. The Czech branch office focuses on the design and construction engineering for these bridges, which are later built all around the world.
Like other design and consulting companies, Finley is challenged with extremely competitive markets, the search for qualified personnel for company growth, multiple project deadlines, and the increase of cost for quality engineering. We endure frequent changes, minor and major, in the bridge design during a project's execution.
We are therefore constantly striving to improve our processes, to innovate, and increase our efficiency to better control the labor cost and the number of hours we spend on projects.
This effort goes hand in hand with the choice of appropriate engineering software. Considering pros and cons of many software packages, we have chosen a solution based on the Autodesk platform. It helped us to accelerate the whole process from the first contact with the customer to the point of handing over the final product. Based on BIM, the Building Information Modeling, we successfully developed and implemented our bridge integration modeling, BRIM workflow, that allowed us to efficiently link the individual stages of the design process and to automate the process of the final documentation production. In some instances with BRIM, we succeeded in reducing labor demands on projects from months to weeks. The changes in workflow can be well illustrated by the example of segmental bridges, either prefabricated or cast in place. Finley has decades of experience and knowledge in the design and construction engineering for bridges of these types. Individual bridge segments, which are identical at first glance, often differ by many parameters. Historically, this meant a lot of manually drafted drawings and high labor costs. Today, thanks to the Autodesk products and our ability to create central 3D and fully parametric segment model with corresponding parametric drawing template, we can generate drawings for a multitude of segments in a matter of days, leading better company performance in costs and project deadlines. For example, changes in the design, which may often impact dozens of segments and their drawings, only need to be implemented once in the central 3D model. The changes will be automatically reflected in the 2D drawings due to a direct link between the model and the drawings. Therefore, it is no longer necessary to manually review and revise all submitted drawings, which yields a high risk of potential errors. In addition, these segment models can be easily joined together in a 3D environment to create a full 3D BIM model of the bridge, which is becoming today's standard. Moreover, the best benefit of it all is that working with 3D models is much more enjoyable than the classic line-by-line method of drafting.
Thanks to the time we have saved, we can now better respond to our customers' requests.
With Autodesk solutions, we were able to significantly reduce the hourly demand. Additionally, we can better respond to project changes while delivering a perfect product. Our proposals are more technically advanced, the drawings show a significantly lower error rate, and the customer also receives a 3D visualization of the work.
Due to the accurate visual and computer control of clashes in the 3D model, we are now able to identify the potential conflicts beforehand. In the past, these conflicts were often revealed only during construction process, and it always led to delays, extra cost, and loss of profit.
Our customers like working with Finley because these issues become a non-factor with today's process.
Today, the BIM method has become a standard in the architecture and commercial buildings. However, due to higher complexity of bridge structures, the bridge engineers have been struggling to find a software tool that can efficiently implement the BIM method. At Finley, we believe that we have found the right solution with the Autodesk products. For each of our bridges, we are now able to deliver a full 3D working BIM model.
The new technology of virtual and augmented reality holds another great potential that 3D models offer to their users. For example, when using this technology, the iron worker can clearly see in the space where a reinforcing bar is to be placed and does not need to worry about classic 2D drawings, which are by nature somewhat more complicated to understand. We believe that in the future, 3D models and virtual reality will complement the classic 2D drawings, and we are delighted that already today we can offer our clients this solution with all its benefits.